What's going on YouTube? I thought, or any other thing, I just wanted to show you how interesting it is at Petco to fuck with birds and see how funny it is to see the psychology and how they're so afraid of the world. But, crotch. Anyway, watch it. See, I'm gonna do a little experiment. I'm gonna take my finger right here and I'm gonna lift it, and the birds don't know it, but they're all paying attention to me and thinking that I'm doing something. So, see, they don't even flinch. But watch what happens when I go like this. Make sure you get all the birds, alright? Ready? 1, 2, 3. They all flinched.
Okay. What are we going to get for this?
Now, don't you think it's pretty funny they're flinching because they're scared?
Lesbian.
They're all flinching. They're all flinching.
Okay.
See that bird right? Watch this bird. Watch. Watch, baby. Watch. Over here. Oh, over here. Yummy. Watch the bird. Watch the birdie. Nikki, get the bird. Get the bird. Ready? You get the white one?
No, no. No. They're so